Welcome to Favors Flavor channel. Today, I and my friends will be making oatmeal coconut cookies. We started by prepping the ingredients. We have already sieved the icing sugar or powdered sugar as well as the flour we will be using. We start by creaming the icing sugar with butter till it gets very fluffy. As you can see, I and my friends are switching the mixture to each other to mix up. We are all on holiday, so we found time to help our one and only mama with work since we are less busy. So as you can see, the mixture is now fluffy. We add in our vanilla flavor and continue mixing and added powdered milk. So now we continue mixing. As you can see, we are still mixing up the batter together. Till it's well added together. Now we add our oatmeal and we continue mixing it all together. Now we add our desiccated coconut to incorporate. We continue mixing it all. We add in flour in batches. We continue mixing it all. We keep on mixing it all up together until it forms into a dough. As you can see, it's coming together. So we added an egg to bind the mixture together. As you can see, it's forming into a perfect dough. As you can see, our dough is ready. So we will wrap it in cling film and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Keep watching, guys. As you can see, our dough is ready. After 30 minutes, we all came together to roll the dough in our already washed palms. Guys, always wash your hands when touching food. We don't want the germs in our food, you know. I know you get it. After rolling, we press the dough and use a fork to give it a design and a cutter to give it a shape. But you can also give it other different designs apart from this. Line your baking tray with parchment paper and add it in the rolled up cookies and prepare them for baking. You can make it in any shape that you want. As you can see, my little sister can't wait to have a bite of our cookies. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Now our cookies are ready. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.